Hey there, Justin from Blaze. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to take an existing post and cross-post it to other platforms using Blaze. I have a Facebook text post that I created using the Facebook text post wizard, and I just finished scheduling it to auto post. And I just also realized that it would make sense to create a copy for Instagram as well. Thankfully, Blaze makes this process super easy. To create a cross-post, click Cross-post. It's the button located above the preview window shown here. Now select the platform that you want. I'm going to select Instagram. You can adjust the name and project if you want, but both of these look fine to me. Once you have the name, project, and platform selected, click Create Post. Now Blaze will quickly create a copy of that post for the platform that you just selected. It also lets you jump straight over to that post, so let's click Open and I'll see you over there. Okay, here we are, the Instagram post, and to schedule this out, simply click Choose How to Post, set a date and a time, and click Schedule Post. I'm gonna go ahead and set it to match my Facebook post. Perfect. So that's all there is to using the cross-post feature inside of Blaze documents. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.